Troy Kearns, real estate investor, bringing it to you from Las Vegas on my second flip I'm working on out here. This is another deal that we're about ready to walk into. I've never seen the property in person, so let's go check it out. We're already fully immersed in the rehab. Let's go check it out. First thing we're gonna look at is that we know that we had bid to paint the exterior here because I remember that the exterior didn't look good. So we're gonna make sure this thing pops really nice. We're in a good neighborhood. We got people walking around here. Let's go into the property and see what we got going on. All right. What's up, man? What's up? So you see what the tile we're using right here? It's cost effective. I think like $1.29. All right, so, but I do remember the house from the FaceTime video, so let's walk it, Daisy.
This lady also had like a ton of stuff.
Ton of stuff that was left behind here. So we're gonna get rid of this thing. We're gonna build like a nice accent wall here. Flat, see. And then we're gonna make like a design wall, like a little wood, you know what I mean? So we got all the tile.
You want to save the TV or no?
You see. Poor Christmas para ti. We're gonna be able to keep all of our cabinets here. Comes with a walk. We're putting new countertops. We're painting all these things. What color?
Crystal white.
White. Why do we want to do white? Because we got the gray floors.
Okay.
We're gonna do an overlay here, I think, right? Can he come off here and square?
Yeah.
Okay. New dishwasher, new microwave there, all new pulls. These are nice cabinets. We just need to paint these. I mean, it's not gonna make us any money ripping these out. Black finishes, yep. Same type of stuff that we used on the other one. We might do some better backsplash. Same thing on this fireplace. We gotta make it look just like, you know.
What about the hole in the bed? What do you want to do?
I don't think anybody's got a TV that, well, I think I would just leave the whole thing. Let's wait on that for now. Let's wait on that for now. So we're coming up here. We talked about adding a bedroom up here, right? How long is this right here?
10.
Across?
Yeah.
And how deep? 10?
More than 10. 14.
So we could easily put a bedroom right here.
Put the wall all the way. Build a little closet right there.
Yeah, so a bedroom's gonna make you about 10,000 bucks if we added a bedroom. So let me just comp it out and see what's gonna, we'll make a decision on this today. You already painted this one? It looks good. So what color paint we got here? Is it Repose?
Repose, yeah.
Okay, so we got Repose gray.
You want to save the tub or do you want to remove?
No, we'll need a new one here.
Yeah, one?
Yeah, this tub is toast. Just buy the less expensive one though. This one looked more expensive, right?
Yeah. Get the regular tub?
Yeah, regular.
Okay.
Yep. Same type of tile, nice tile. We'll give it a couple tile patterns. I think the doors are good. Pretty simple, cosmetic, right? Exterior paint too, see? Got a big master in here. You were gonna divide this, right?
You gotta put the little wall right here and two closets on.
Right, so we turn this into a his and hers. Oh, they have another closet right there. Perfect, okay. So this would be his, hers, and hers, right, Daisy?
Yeah. He's saying if you don't want to do the closet, you could push it all the way back.
Yeah, I just think that it's better to put a closet there. Less construction, easier, and storage. All right, so this is the master bathroom. We're just gonna put this back together.
Yeah, you want to save the tub or?
Make sure it's working. If it's not working, don't save it. This, we're just gonna put a new granite top on it.
Yeah.
Save the cabinets.
Yeah.
Take the pulls off. I think this needs a door right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you're in there with your wife and you want to take a poop and she's getting ready, we need to put a door. Can you put a barn door slide right there?
Yeah.
You have enough room? How long is this? No, it's too short.
No, but the door is just smaller.
All right, so we need some sort of a door here, whether it's gonna open out or close it. I think we need a door. Okay, all right, so it's not gonna soundproof it, but something to separation right there. Sliding is better. Vanities, we're replacing the countertops. How did we flip it when we're not here? Have I been to this house before?
No.
All right, so what happened?
We have the contractor walk it. We talk numbers and I get with Troy. We agree on the numbers and then we get going, and basically we use like the same stuff for every house. And then depending on the house, if we can see that it's gonna sell a little bit more, we do nicer stuff. So we'll change like the towel in the bathroom, granite in the kitchen, but basically it's always like the same paint colors. And then it's just talking layout with Troy. So if he likes the way it is, we keep it. If he wants to add something, we add it. He'll know what to do with it just by looking at it.
Right, so basically through FaceTime, we were able to figure out like, this has got like early 90s vibe with the pop outs and stuff like that. So we're gonna try to get rid of some of that stuff. The layout, you're really not gonna change that because you've got step downs and stuff right here. You're not changing that. When it's like, this is called whatever, a split level type of a layout, but that silly design on that fireplace, it's just better to go away. Now, the only question is, this, in these type of properties, this was an option. This could either be a bedroom or it could be a loft. So what we're gonna go do is we're gonna go back and comp out the property and say, how much is it gonna sell for being a 4-bedroom versus being a 3-bedroom? We know that construction-wise, it's insignificant to add that. It's just adding a closet, adding a door, and then eliminating that stuff. And it still feels open because you still have this side, so you're not losing anything at all. You're actually gaining a bedroom, which usually means about $10,000 to $20,000. So we'll probably end up doing that. Yeah, so when you go through and you look at stuff and you're looking at flips, as you notice, these guys are trying to do things as simple as possible. Gavino knows because he's been working with me a long time. When he cut it out, he's like, Troy was probably gonna want to save the tub. And so he didn't pull the tub out because he wants to see if I want to save it or if I want to take it. Well, this one we're taking rid of because it looks like crap. If we go put it out there, we're not gonna have a good product and that would ruin the whole thing. So if that's your foundation of your whole flip and the whole flip is based on a crappy tub, then all the tile that you put around it, everything else is gonna look crappy too. So this one we'll yank out, the other one we'll keep, and then all he has to do is drywall this. Yeah, he's got to put green board on here, then you got to put some sort of a sealant on it, and then he puts his thin set and his grout, and he's done. Then the bathroom's done. We put a nice tile floor. He's got to put hardy backer on the floor, and then we got to decide we're going to put a bedroom right here. All right, so let's go make our other decision. So this is basically the only decision that we need to make. So make it flat, flat like all the way, and then we're just going to get rid of all these bumps and stuff, you know?
Okay, but what about this one? You want to build a wall or something?
No.
You want to leave a hole?
Leave the hole.
Okay.
Yep, just make it a square hole.
Okay.
All right, so landscaping wise, we're repainting the whole exterior of the house. We got to pick the paint color, right? We're going to put a fan up here. Was there 3 fans or just 1 fan?
There was nothing here.
There were just lights here. So we'll put a fan here, 1 fan, 2 lights on each side. So one other like tip I'm gonna give you that Gavino knows, because I've been doing this a long time, is this back wall. Whenever we paint the house, we always paint the wall to match the house. It may seem silly, but this doesn't cost them really any time or money because it's super easy to clean that, right? With a pressure washer. And how long does it take you to paint that?
About an hour.
About an hour. Yeah. So about an hour, not a lot of prep work, but it makes a huge difference. If you got a house that's all painted brand new, and then you got this old brick wall, it looks like you didn't do a thorough job. We're gonna have to put some landscaping in here in the back, some flowers.
You want to leave that tree or you want to cut it up?
Keep them and just put some flowers and stuff in these flower beds, little flowers, and make it like kind of pretty. So we got some stucco repair here. We should just pull these off. There's only these screens, right?
Yeah.
Just pull the screens off. This thing's got to get painted. We can refix this stuff, these flower beds here. I don't know what the hell was on the top of this.
For the horses.
Yeah.
You want to put a caballo?
So we don't spend money like cutting it off. I told them he could just flatten it out and make this look flat instead of like other stuff coming out of this one.
Yeah, just make it flat. It's fine. Yep. And we'll just paint this a different color, like something that pops, and this we'll do something cool so this looks like a cool area here. We're just gonna follow the same color pattern. Don't let him pick the colors. Because we'll have a purple house. This tree needs to be trimmed up here too. After you're done, this is the last thing I like to do because you don't want everybody knowing what you're doing when you're flipping a house. Everybody's so nosy. Do the tree the last because it kind of blocks you a little bit. ¿Cuántos más semanas?
Maybe 2 weeks.
2 more weeks.
Thank you.
2 more weeks. You believe it? Oh, and by the way, we got a lot of hate about this last time. How much did this trailer cost you? How much did you pay for this one?
I paid $6,000.
$6,000. How much does it cost you when you fill this whole thing up to dump it up?
120.
120 bucks. Yep. And that's all the way full. How many yards does it finish in there?
6.
So 6 yards, 120. And most people, when they charge, it's about 300 bucks if they're gonna charge you to come pick this up, right? So it's a good side business if you want a side business, right? Yeah. Do you do it for some people sometimes?
Yep.
Yeah, he does it for us. So if we need garbage picked up, Gavino the garbage man, right?
Yep.
That's it. We just need to select Paint colors, comp the stuff, and this tree is gonna need to be trimmed up. It should look like that, like a bonsai by the time you're done, like Mr. Miyagi. That's it, we're out of here, guys. So, long story short, because of the talent pool that we have in Vegas, including Daisy, who's learning how to flip, and including Gavino, who's been flipping with me for years, I don't need to be here, and she's gonna pick it up along the way of what I like, what I don't like. She's gonna understand that less is more always, that we don't wanna make a bunch of big decisions. We only wanna do things that add value and take away things that when you take them away, they add value as well. And you don't need to go through and put your own specifics on stuff. Just go through, clean it up. There's a low amount of inventory right now, and we'll sell it for a good price. 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
All right, let's go. Obviously, the highest price per square foot is how Vegas works, right? Just knowing that the inventory is in short supply, just knowing that there's not a lot of stuff to buy, why not try to hit the biggest mark you can? I'm thinking we can get $500,000 for it. Originally I thought $450. The wind's at our backs, the market's at our backs. We're doing good in this market. Hopefully it can turn into a total home run for us. So that means that I want to go the extra mile on adding that bedroom. I want to go the extra mile on picking some nicer fixtures and stuff like that. And I want to go on the extra mile replacing things. I'll put appliances in this one, maybe. But I don't know if they're gonna match. And let's talk about matching freaking appliances, by the way. We got like 5 million views on that Instagram, like, oh, I don't pick matching appliances. Let me tell you what I do. We pick matching appliances, meaning that it's stainless steel matches stainless steel. But sometimes we'll go into a property and there's perfectly good microwave, or there's a perfectly good stove, and we have to go and replace something else. We're not gonna go buy 3 new pieces of equipment. We're gonna replace what's there. When people sell their house and it's not a flip, they don't have everything matching, because guess what? Appliances break, and when your appliance breaks, you don't go buy 3 new ones to match them all. What you do is you're practical, and people understand practicality. So for those of you who say, don't be a bozo, don't be a cheapskate, don't be cost effective, replace all of your appliances with matching appliances. Yes, ideally we always want to do that, but we're in the business to make money. We're in the business to provide people working, matching looking appliances, but I don't care what's on the name tag. I'm not wearing 2 of the wrong sneakers or anything like that, but if they look the same, I would, but sometimes they don't. So yes, brands matter, but what matters more is a good looking house with all the appliances working. Peace.